Welcome back to my channel with a new video. Sustainable Student Farm Summer Internship 2025 in USA Paid Internship. Applications are open for the Sustainable Student Farm Summer Internship 2025 in the USA. It is a paid internship offered by the University of Illinois Urbana. The Summer Internship in the USA will run from the 19th of May to August 15th, 2025. The duration of the internship is approximately 13 weeks. Interns will receive an hourly stipend of $15 per hour. The objective of the Farm Internship is to give hands-on experience at the farms. They will learn how to grow vegetables and produce vegetables. Interns will enhance their skills and knowledge about horticulture. There is no application fee, and it is a paid internship program. Following are more details about the internship requirements and the application process, so stay tuned and watch till end. Details about Sustainable Student Farm Summer Internship 2025 in the USA. Host country, USA location, University of Illinois Urbana, Champaign. Duration, 13 weeks. Internship dates, May 19th, August 15th, 2025. Deadline, not mentioned. Financial benefits, interns will receive $15 per hour. Focus, growing food for the campus community and learning sustainable agriculture practices. Individual project, planning, planting, and managing personal vegetable beds. Harvesting and record keeping for individual beds. Features of the internship. Lectures, discussions, farm design. Various aspects of vegetable production. Soil and farm ecosystem health. Social issues surrounding food. Experiential learning. Farm tour. Volunteering at other farms and community gardens. Managerial roles rotation. Farm stand management. Community-supported agriculture CSA management. Record keeping. Outreach. Individual project, planning, planting, and managing personal vegetable beds. Harvesting and record keeping for individual beds. How to apply for the Sustainable Student Farm Summer Internship 2025 in the USA. To apply, email your resume and a cover letter explaining your interest in the program to Illinois-SF@illinois.edu. The link to the official website is in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.